Again, if you've been practicing for a while, you should recognize questions like this. They do these a lot. This style question, these charts where you got to find the right fraction, and so this should be familiar. And the one thing that we always need to focus on here is the bottom of the fraction to make sure we're choosing from the right grouping in this chart. And so that's why the strategy really here is just make sure you follow instructions. If you're a little bit off, your answer is going to be there. These are not random fractions. These are the fractions you would get if you didn't follow the instructions and chose wrong. So let's make sure we read it carefully here. On Tuesday, a local gas station had 135 customers. The table above summarizes whether or not the customers on Tuesday purchased gasoline, a beverage, both, or neither. Okay. Based on the data in the table, what is the probability that a gas station customer selected at random on that day did not purchase gasoline? So, okay, let's focus on that part. Of the people who went to the gas station, so of everybody who went to the gas station, which is 135 people, how many did not purchase gasoline? So did not purchase gasoline is this row. And so the top piece here is 50 because we want to include the 35 who also purchased a beverage or who did not purchase a beverage. It doesn't matter what they purchased as a beverage. What matters is whether or not they got gasoline. So the columns don't matter. What matters is that we pick the right row. And so the total is given to us. Sometimes it's not. And so that gets us 50 out of 135. Very often on the SAT, though, what they're going to do is the trap will be that we actually, for whatever reason, cannot use the total from the chart. So I would always try to focus on that and make sure you understand what group are we choosing from. In this case, the question is telling us that it's of all the customers. So we are including everybody in this. But sometimes it'll be a little different and we'll need to kind of just do one row or one column. And so just be careful of that. That might cost you points if you're not following those instructions and you're still kind of choosing from the wrong, the big piece, right? So just be careful. I'm warning you. It does come up. It's the one way they try to trick us. And that's why more practice can help you because then you notice the patterns in the ways they try to trick you.